Alright, here's a little predicament here. Got some rotten siding on here. It's been kind of going bad since Hurricane Ian, but got a rodent or something in here, and I think it's down here. Got past this one stud, which is a little narrow for some reason. So we got to tear this off here, and I got my handy shooting iron here just in case. Got some rat shot loaded in there, and well, and the dog is also running chase, so whoever can get it first, basically, we're going to see how this goes. There we go. I don't know, you might be able to see something there. I just propped that up. Alright, we got some professional tools. Let me pull my pants up, tighten my belt here a little bit. That'll help get our pry bar going in here. I've got a broom and stuff to sweep up with. You know, we're going to get in here and try to find so far so good. Get that out of there. Let's take a look. Get that nail out of there. Oh yeah, look at that. Spiral shank nails. They didn't want those to come out. That's a good job there. Alright, let's see. Wow, that stuff's really on there. I thought it'd come off easier than that. Alright. Yeah, we got a little tunnel through there. Whoa! Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at my little rat snake. He's in there hunting. What are you doing, buddy? Crikey! Ain't he a beaut? Look at my little snake. Good boy. You're in there. You're in the right place. We're going to let you go right over here. You hang around. Watch out for the dog, though. So I think we're on the right trail. Oh, looks like it ends there. Alright, that might be as far as he went, I hope. Yeah. There's a pipe there. Of course, you're going to get a little corrosion on that now. We might have to come in there and clean all that up. This is the drain for the water heater, which looks like it's still sealed up. So that's not so bad. And no rats, but we did find a baby rat snake in there. Where'd he go? Love my baby snakes. Where'd he go? There he is. Over there. Oop, oh! Almost hit him with a broom. Sorry, buddy. I didn't mean that. You take it easy.